This is a Giotti Line Privelige motorhome, a compact C66. It costs 63,000 euros almost. It is 660 centimeters in length and 215 in width. It is very similar to the Rapido compact motorhome of the same type. But anyway, what we've got at the back is a large German bed layout here with windows on either side and a window in the roof. Storage at the back, but not along the sides. This has been extended to give the maximum amount of bed space, and we have also storage under it as well. What we can do, of course, is to take this thing out here like that, push this in here, and that won't push in like that. We're supposed to push in. Well, let's go. Oh, and well, it's supposed to push in anyway. I won't push it in because I can't. Right, okay, well, if you find out how to push it in, or more to the point, if you find one that isn't broken, then you can push it in, and you'd have steps up to the bed, and you'd have effectively two singles. Right, in here we find the washroom with a false wall. Actually looks quite effective, that. I must say, for a Giotti Line, that does look nice. And this will come out. This will come out. Right, if it wasn't broken, it would cut. Yeah, no, it's caught. It's caught here. I feel that. Anyway, so this is supposed to come out and slide over there, and that will give you access to your showering stuff. There's a shower tray, and it's covered by a duck board. The showering stuff is the hose and what have you is meant to be behind there. This has a sensible sliding door coming over here. Oh, I like that. Oh yes, that looks very good. Oh, that's very elegant. And two burners. You do get the grids and buttons and things. We've removed them to stop them getting stolen. Here, wardrobe, and more storage down here. And here, the kitchen drawers. This comes out like that. Kitchen door comes out like that. And here we have the fridge from Vitry Frigo, two-way fridge, very nice, and skylight up there, skylight there. Let's have a look at the back. I find that hard to believe, actually, that it claims 300 weight in here. Very much doubt. Yeah, let this lady speak while I walk around.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is 6 p.m. and this is the Carman's announced closing for today. We would like to thank you for your visit and wish you a pleasant evening. Mesdames et messieurs les visiteurs et avec cela le Carman's salon fait pour aujourd'hui. Nous vous remercions de votre visite et nous vous souhaitons une bonne soirée. Signori, sei e control il Carman's salon chiude le negozio. Vi ringraziamo per la vostra visita e vi auguriamo una piacevole serata. Dames and Herren, it is afternoon and now is the Carman's salon vorbei. Wir danken für den Besuch und wünschen Sie einen feinen Abend.
Okay, I thought I'd just show you around a few more. There you can see what it's supposed to look like with the German layout. That's the same at the back with the steps up to the bed, and also with the door into the garage as well. Of course, this is a different model. Right, good. you've seen the Giotti Line compact C66, very similar to the Rapido model. Now there was a couple of things there that didn't work, and I'm going to suggest that was probably because they hadn't somebody been messing around with them. And if you compared it into the Rapido compact, which is the same thing, I'd put it to you that it would happen in the Rapido exactly the same thing as well. So it's not a case of, for this vehicle, being the dodgy one. Having said that, Giotti Line did have a very bad reputation, and for things not working and things leaking and the likes. So but I think that since Rapido has got control of the company, that's come to an end. This vehicle is comparatively cheap, but paying an extra, and you may think, well, what's the point in paying extra 20,000 one with a Rapido brand if it looks the same inside more or less, and the only difference being cosmetic? That could be the case. I mean, that could be an argument. I dare say, though, I think I'd rather go for a Rapido brand myself if I had the cash, and even though it's very, very similar. Anyway, that's my opinion. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.